The American auto industry was recently rocked by significant layoffs. Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler, under Stellantis, announced job cuts. This decision sent shockwaves through the industry. Thousands of workers face uncertain futures. The announcement has sparked concern about the sector's health. These layoffs affect real people and communities. The impact extends far beyond the factory floor. It reaches into the heart of communities relying on the auto industry. The news has been met with anxiety and anger. Workers are left wondering about their livelihoods. Local businesses brace for economic fallout. The situation underscores the challenges faced by the American auto industry. It highlights the human cost of economic shifts and corporate decisions. The situation is still unfolding. The long-term consequences remain to be seen. These layoffs will have a lasting impact on thousands of American workers and their communities. The road ahead will be challenging, demanding resilience and adaptation from all those affected. The recent layoffs at Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler are attributed to a confluence of factors. These factors are reshaping the automotive landscape. Understanding them is crucial to grasping the magnitude of the situation. These challenges are multifaceted and interconnected. One primary driver is the global shift towards electric vehicles. Traditional automakers are under immense pressure to adapt. They must invest heavily in EV technology to remain competitive. This transition requires significant capital and often leads to restructuring, impacting jobs in traditional manufacturing. Supply chain disruptions also play a role. The auto industry has been grappling with shortages of crucial components. Semiconductors, essential for modern vehicles, have been in short supply. This has led to production delays and increased costs, further straining the industry. Moreover, economic uncertainty and inflation have dampened consumer demand for new vehicles. Rising interest rates and economic worries make large purchases less appealing. This decline in demand directly impacts production needs, leading to workforce adjustments. The impact of the Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler layoffs is most acutely felt by the workers and their families. Thousands of skilled laborers are now facing unemployment. This loss of income brings immediate financial strain. Many are grappling with mortgages, car payments, and the daily expenses of raising a family. The emotional toll is equally significant. Losing a job can be a deeply personal and unsettling experience. It affects self-esteem, identity, and the sense of security that comes with steady employment. The stress and anxiety ripple through families, impacting spouses, children, and entire households. For many, these layoffs represent more than just a lost paycheck. They represent the loss of careers built over years of dedication. The skills and experience honed over time are suddenly devalued in a rapidly changing industry. The future seems uncertain, filled with anxiety about finding new employment in a challenging job market. The stories emerging from affected communities are heartbreaking. Families are forced to make difficult choices, cutting back on essentials and relying on support networks. The situation highlights the human cost of economic shifts and the urgent need for support systems to help these families navigate this difficult period. The impact of these layoffs extends far beyond the individual workers and families. Entire communities that rely heavily on the auto industry are now bracing for the economic fallout. These layoffs will have ripple effects throughout the local economies. Towns and cities where auto manufacturing is a significant employer will feel the impact most acutely. The loss of thousands of jobs translates to reduced consumer spending. Local businesses, from restaurants to retailers, will experience a downturn. This can lead to a vicious cycle of economic decline, impacting the overall vitality of these communities. Furthermore, these layoffs send shockwaves through the broader U.S. auto industry. They highlight the challenges faced by traditional automakers as they navigate a rapidly changing landscape. The industry is at a crossroads, grappling with the shift to electric vehicles, supply chain disruptions, and evolving consumer preferences. The layoffs serve as a stark reminder of the need for adaptation and innovation. The industry must invest in new technologies, retrain its workforce, and find ways to remain competitive in a global market. Failure to do so could result in further job losses and a decline in the American auto industry's prominence. Auto industry analysts and experts are closely watching the unfolding situation. Many express concern about the long-term consequences of these layoffs. They emphasize the need for proactive measures to mitigate the negative impacts on workers, communities, and the industry as a whole. Some experts point to the need for government intervention to support affected workers and communities. This could include providing robust unemployment benefits, job retraining programs, and investment in infrastructure projects to create new employment opportunities. Others stress the importance of collaboration between automakers, unions, and government agencies to find solutions that benefit all stakeholders. There is also a call for greater investment in research and development of new automotive technologies. This includes supporting the transition to electric vehicles, developing sustainable manufacturing processes, and fostering innovation in areas such as autonomous driving and connected car technologies. Such investments can help ensure the long-term competitiveness of the American auto industry and create new job opportunities for the future. The situation is complex, with no easy answers. However, experts agree that a proactive and collaborative approach is essential to navigate the challenges ahead and secure a brighter future for the American auto industry and the communities it supports. The response to the Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler layoffs has been swift and impassioned. Labor unions representing auto workers have condemned the decision. They are demanding action to protect their members' livelihoods and secure a just transition for those affected. Unions are calling for enhanced severance packages, extended healthcare benefits, and comprehensive job training programs to help laid-off workers acquire new skills. They are also pushing for government support in the form of extended unemployment benefits and investment in infrastructure projects that can create new job opportunities in affected communities. Employees themselves are expressing a mix of anger, betrayal, and uncertainty. Many feel let down by the companies they dedicated years of their lives to. They are demanding transparency and accountability, seeking answers about the decision-making process and the future direction of the companies. Protests and rallies have been organized at several plant locations. Workers are using their collective voice to express their frustration and demand a seat at the table as decisions about their future are being made. The situation highlights the vital role of unions in advocating for workers' rights and ensuring that their voices are heard during times of economic upheaval. The road to recovery for the American auto industry will be long and challenging. It will require addressing immediate needs while positioning for long-term success. Companies like Stellantis must be transparent about their future plans. This includes investing in electric vehicle technology and retraining their workforce. Government support will be crucial in providing a safety net and revitalizing communities. Education and retraining programs are essential for future job skills. Collaboration and innovation will support those most affected by these layoffs.